I feel like it is actually impossible to win. One, two, three, four, five. In what, 3 rounds?
Tuscan Raiders.
You're like the sandworm out of June. To remove damage, so it's gonna die in like 2 more turns.
And then we'll do some fast strike on your Sage for 3.
Just reduce it by 1.
So that was 2 actions. Remove up to 4 erosions from up to 4 elementals in your opponent's formation to deal 4 damage to an elemental in your opponent's formation. So that Sage is dead.
I don't want to play it anymore.
Unless you were these guys.
No, there is no satisfaction.